Money, 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 get a dollar in a dick. Weezy baby, that crack, motherfucker, get a fix. Got money out the ass, no homo, but I'm rich. Bout the
Gangsta Grills,
money, 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 get a dollar in a dick. Weezy baby, that crack, motherfucker, get a fix. Got money out the ass, no homo, but I'm rich. Bout the
Gangsta Grills,
money, 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 get a dollar in a dick. Weezy baby, that crack, motherfucker, get a fix. Got money out the ass, no homo, but I'm rich. Bout to go get surgery and put some diamonds in my wrist. Yes, yep, I'm a motherfucking trip. I'm a trip to Japan to buy some brand new shit. 900 to a grand, get you 28 grams. If you talking about bricks, I'm the interstate man. And the women say, damn, the niggas don't say a damn thing. Boy, I bet that shot it make you bounce like a bed spring. Walking a thin line, gotta defend mine. And with no pen, I'm sorta like a bomb boom. Young tune, yeah, that's what my people call me. 50,000 for the cost, trying to keep the reaper off me. I drink a lot of syrup, bitches say I'm sleepwalking. Big money for the grill, so I'm never cheap talking. Yeah, keep talking and the flame leap off the hip and keep sparking. Pap, pap, sleep softly. Yeah, nap, nap, knapsack 3/4. It's like fuck another nigga, nigga, just don't be the target. Young New Orleans nigga, nigga, just don't be retarded. We done lost everything, and you looking like a bargain. Purple weed, purple drink, purple heart sergeant. I'm the best rapper in the game, no arguing, and I don't even write pause. Unpause this, so keep your bitch ass lines inside the margin. LilWayne.com, bitch log in. Put a pillow under your knees and keep your jaws in. All in your girl mouth, use it like a toilet. They usually wanna ball in, the young nigga ballin'. Mike Jordan, pardon my swaggy, but my father rich as fucking. All my brothers left the family. We said fuck it, bought 2 houses in Miami. I can't wait to do cribs. MTV, come on, get at me. Any rapper won't get at me. Tell your label, contact me. Half 100 for a feature. Wanna battle, I beat you. I'm a beast, I'm a creature. I'm the son of Miss Ether. My Dukes, my Jeter. She the reason, she the reason. Every woman wanna be the boy, diva, not even. There's a 305 dime, I want it ever since I seen her. Got a topic of this evening, hotter than a tub steaming. Got your girlfriend dreaming of one day being Trina, not a Sim Seamer. 10 keys in the Beamer. Got a white girl driving, couldn't do it much cleaner. I'm fly in the sky like that motherfucking ribbon. Bitches got my name on them and the nigga still living. Spin a condo in the club, 1 bottle won't do, 2 bottles won't do. Bottles for the whole crew, thanks. And bring me that Patron, I don't play no ice. I like my drink straight, not gay. And bitch, that bank come every day, I'm paid. I wish a nigga come in Vegas sprayed. I stump a nigga out like I got 10 legs. Then they fish a nigga up out the lake in 10 days. Behave, no ho, I'm on that rage road. Cash money, young money, hold that money, age old. And can a cage, hold this animal from Holly Grove. Sorry, mommy, I be stone, I be blow. Got me copy rockstar, Weezy, baby, fuck these souls. Gotta pay me now for me to even touch these hoes. Price rising for a show in the flow. So either drama is my nigga, or that boy got dough. Go figure, that's my nigga, my nerve. If anybody else wanted 60,000 a verse, yeah.